Are you also tired of the false promises of making money online? Tired of those methods that seem to work for others, but never quite work for you? Maybe you've tried dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or even Amazon FBA, only to find out that it's not as easy as it's portrayed to be. Now, you find yourself surrounded by motivational YouTube videos that sell you the dream of easy money. But the reality is something entirely different. So let's get started. Step 3. Do a voiceover. If you have a good voice, you can record with your phone, using apps like RecForge or Dolby On. Otherwise, use AI voice tools like 11 Labs or Descript for natural-sounding voiceovers. Step 4. Add visuals for free. You don't need to shoot anything for the video, just get free stock footage from websites and add background music. Free resources: Pixabay, footage plus images; Pexels Mix Kit, YouTube audio library, free music; Canva or CapCut, video editing. Step 5. Edit the video and upload. Use apps like CapCut, VN, or InShot on mobile. On laptops, you can use DaVinci Resolve, free, or Filmora. Create thumbnails with Canva. Fill out the title, description, and tags carefully. This helps with SEO. Income sources. 3 ways to earn from YouTube. 1. Google AdSense. Once you have 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hours, your channel can be monetized. After that, you'll earn money whenever people watch your ads. 2. Affiliate marketing. Share product or service links in your videos. If someone buys using your link, you get a commission. Programs like Amazon, Flipkart, Grow, hosting companies have affiliate programs. 3. Sponsorships. As your subscribers grow, companies will contact you. They'll want you to promote their products. You can charge anywhere from thousands to lakhs for this. How is it zero investment? No camera needed, no studio required, no need to hire actors or editors, just a phone or laptop, internet, and dedication. Free tools for beginners. ChatGPT, free version. Canva, free plan. CapCut, VN, InShot. Pexels. Pixabay YouTube audio library. Try to upload 2-3 videos every week. Focus on thumbnails and titles. They get the clicks. Create shorts. They will grow faster. Respond to comments. It increases engagement. Be patient. Growth will show after 2 to 3 months. Now, the decision is yours. Will you just watch videos on YouTube, or will you start creating your own? Will you keep wasting your data just browsing the internet, or will you start earning from it? Remember, thousands of people on YouTube are making millions without showing their faces. The only difference is that they started. Now it's your turn. Medium, a golden opportunity for writers to earn without spending a penny. Do you love writing? Do you want to share your thoughts, experiences, or knowledge with the world and earn money at the same time? Then Medium is a fantastic platform for you. What is Medium? Medium.com is an international writing platform where writers, bloggers, experts, and ordinary people from around the world share their stories, articles, and ideas. Here you don't just write, you can also earn in dollars by writing. How is it zero investment? To write on Medium, you don't need to create a website, no need to buy a domain, no hosting required. All you need to do is create a Medium account and start writing. You can even manage it from your mobile. How do you earn? Medium has a special feature, the Medium Partner Program. By joining this program, you can earn from your posts based on views, read time, and engagement. Where does the income come from? Medium's paid members read your posts. The more people read and like your posts, the more you earn. Pro tip: your posts can also rank on Google, opening the path to long-term passive income. What topics can you write about? Medium welcomes every topic. But some niches are very popular and high-paying. 1. Finance, personal finance, saving tips, investment guides. People want to learn about money, and you can provide them with value. 2. Self-improvement, habits, mindset, goal setting, life lessons. These topics are always evergreen and engaging. 3. Productivity, time management, tools, techniques. These kinds of articles attract professionals. 4. Tech and AI, app reviews, coding, future tech trends. The tech-savvy audience is always active. 5. Real-life stories, personal experiences, motivational journeys. People connect with real stories and feel inspired. What else do you get? Your writing will be read worldwide. You can build a personal brand. Your followers will increase. You can land freelance opportunities. It can become a source of long-term passive income. How to start? 1. Create a free account on medium.com. 2. Post 2-3 high-quality articles, 800 to 1200 words. 3. Apply for the Medium Partner Program. 4. Share your articles on Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit, etc. 5. Be consistent. Try to write at least one post every week. Write eye-catching titles, join popular publications on Medium. Quality over quantity. Write well, not too much. Polish your English with tools like Grammarly. Learn a little about SEO. You'll get traffic from Google too. Now it's your turn. Are you ready to showcase your talent to the world? Do you want to earn by writing without spending a penny? Write a post today and tomorrow. That could become your source of income. Digital products. Create once. Earn repeatedly. Zero investment model. Do you want to create something that earns money every month without having to put in effort repeatedly? Then digital products are a great option for you. What are digital products? Digital products are products that you create once and can sell online repeatedly without any inventory or shipping. No physical goods, just your creativity and a laptop/phone. Popular digital products list. 1. Ebooks. Write a guide on any topic like how to start freelancing, motivation tips, or fitness. Guide. Sell the PDF. 2. Printables. Wall art, planners, calendars, study guides, etc. People download them and print them themselves. 3. Templates. Social media templates. Canva templates. Business card designs. Creators and entrepreneurs are in demand for these. 4. Journals. Daily journaling, gratitude journals. Productivity planners. These sell well on Amazon KDP or Etsy. 5. Resume formats. Modern, clean, ATS-friendly resume templates. Job seekers are always looking for new formats. How is it zero investment? To create a digital product, you don't need any expensive software, just free tools. Canva. Easily create templates, journals, planners, resumes. Google Docs. Google Slides. Prepare ebooks or text-based content. FreePick. Unsplash. Get high-quality graphics and images. Where to sell? Free platforms. You can sell your digital products for free on these trusted platforms. Gumroad. Easy and beginner-friendly. PayHip. Simple store setup, no upfront fee. Etsy. There's some competition, but the exposure is huge. Ko-fi, a great platform for creators. How to promote with zero budget. You don't need to spend money. Just promote smartly and for free. Instagram Reels. Show a quick demo of your templates or journals. TikTok videos. Before versus after using my resume template. Pinterest. Best platform for journals and printables. YouTube Shorts. How I made $500 from a free Canva template. Facebook groups, Reddit. Join targeted communities. Let's understand with an example. Let's say you created a resume template and started selling it for just $5. If only 100 people buy it in a month, then 100 bound as $5, it goes around $500 a month. And this template was created only once. You don't need to create a new one every time. As your products grow, your income will also increase. Bonus tips. Make your products visually attractive. Thumbnails and mock-ups should look appealing. Get customer feedback and update your versions. Start building an email list to create your audience base for the future. Offer bundle deals, like a discount when buying 3 templates together. Now it's your turn. Do you want to create something once and earn repeatedly? Do you want to start your digital business using free tools like Canva or Google Docs? Smart work is when the system earns money for you. Digital products are that system, but the real difference comes from your consistency, dedication, and the courage to take action. Zero investment is possible, but zero effort is not. Your time, hard work, and the will to learn are your greatest assets. It might seem difficult to move from where you are right now to a new direction, but if you take just one small step today, a year from now, you'll say, "I'm so glad I started that day." Now it's your turn. Which method would you like to try first? What skill do you have that can help you make money online? Comment below. I read and replied to them myself. If you liked the video, make sure to like it, so we know that you like this content. Don't forget to subscribe, as we will continue to bring more practical and real ways for you. Press the bell icon, so you get the notification for the next video first. See you in the next video with another new and powerful way. Until then, remember, online earning is possible, you just need to start today. Take action, stay consistent, and success will follow you.